scientists discovered that a single roll of used tape can contain up to 300,000 plastic particles. For centuries, human beings have relied on tape to hold, stick, and seal various objects. This versatile adhesive has become an integral part of our daily lives, from crafting to construction. However, have you ever stopped to think about the environmental impact of tape? The truth is, tape is not as eco-friendly as we think, and its production contributes to plastic pollution. In this video, we will explore the surprising facts about tape and provide you with sustainable living tips. From understanding the tape-making process to discovering eco-friendly alternatives, we will cover it all. But before we begin, let's talk about the most shocking fact about tape. Scientists discovered that a single roll of used tape can contain up to 300,000 plastic particles. That's equivalent to the weight of a small car, all from a single roll of tape. To put this into perspective, the tape-making process involves a mixture of containing and plastic an entire other library of chemicals. Now, let's imagine that this grain of sand is made up of 300,000 tiny plastic particles. This is exactly what happens when we use tape, and it's time to think about the consequences. The tape-making process involves a mixture of containing and plastic an entire other library of chemicals, which are then rolled into sheets. These sheets are cut into strips, and voila, we have our tape. But what happens to the leftover plastic and chemicals during the process? Unfortunately, they often end up in our oceans and landfills, harming the environment and wildlife. However, there is good news. By adopting sustainable living tips and green habits, we can significantly reduce our tape consumption. One simple way to do this is to reuse and recycle tape whenever possible. You can also switch to eco-friendly tape alternatives made from natural materials like cotton or hemp. But did you know that some tapes are more eco-friendly than others? For example, bamboo tape is biodegradable and compostable. It's like having a tiny plant in your hands, rather than a plastic strip. But here's the thing. Bamboo tape is still not as widely available as traditional tape. So what can we do in the meantime? We can start by making small changes to our daily habits. For instance, you can use tape clips or tape dispensers with built-in recycling features. You can also opt for tape with minimal packaging or biodegradable wrapping. And if you're feeling crafty, you can even make your own tape from natural materials.
But that's not the strangest part.
The most shocking fact about tape is yet to come. It's not just the production process that's the problem. It's also the disposal of used tape. In fact, decompose. That's longer than the lifespan of many humans, and it's a staggering statistic. So, what can we do to mitigate the impact of tape? One solution is to use tape with a biodegradable core. This type of tape is designed to break down quickly and easily in the environment. It's like having a time bomb that explodes with force, but in a good way. By choosing eco-friendly tape alternatives, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. And as a bonus, we'll also be reducing waste and pollution. But wait until you hear what comes next. The impact of tape goes beyond just the environment. It also affects our health and well-being. Did you know that some tapes contain chemicals that can cause respiratory problems? It's like breathing in a toxic cloud that's invisible to the naked eye. However, there is hope. By choosing eco-friendly tape alternatives, we can reduce our exposure to these chemicals. And as an added bonus, we'll also be improving our indoor air quality. But that's not all. The impact of tape also affects our community and economy. In fact, the tape industry is a multi-billion-dollar market that employs millions of people worldwide. So, what can we do to make a positive impact on this industry? One solution is to support companies that prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness. By choosing to buy from these companies, we'll be sending a message that sustainability matters. And as a result, we'll be contributing to a healthier environment and a stronger economy. It's a win-win situation that benefits everyone. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? It's simple. By adopting sustainable living tips and green habits, we can make a significant impact on the environment and our community. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of sustainability. And as a special thank you for watching, please like and comment below with your favorite eco-friendly tip. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.